Box on the table, rules on the floor, cardboard kingdoms, we've seen them before. You deal the colors like secrets in your hands. I just see symbols and try to understand. You laugh, say pick a side, come on, like it's easy as a coin in the air. I'm counting corners, shapes and lines, 'cause shade and brightness is all I got here. Game night in black and white, everybody's glowing, every chip's the same. You say move the red one right, I'm tracing tiny numbers, trying not to say your name. I can't tell your armies apart, but I know where you sit on the couch in the dark. Game night in black and white, and somehow you're still shining bright. You tap the table,
Your turn.
don't stall,
I'm squinting closer.
pretending I recall which team was which one from the start of this round. But my world blurs where your world is loud. You nudge my knee, hey, focus, I shrug and say I'm thinking too much. Truth is I'm lost in this paper war, and the way I'm wired, I'm guessing by touch. Game night in black and white, everybody's glowing, every chip's the same. You say move the blue one right, I'm tracing tiny symbols, trying not to say your name. I can't tell your colors apart, but I feel every rise, every fall of your heart. Game night in black and white, and somehow you're still shining bright. You rearrange the tokens, lay them out in rows. I see your patient smile, you say I thought you'd know. We can mark them with stars, we can scratch little signs. You're coloring my world with the way your hand finds mine. Oh!
Game night in black and white, everybody's glowing, every chip's the same.
You say take the marked one right, I follow little diamonds, finally saying your name. I can't tell the colors apart, but I know what I feel when the scores fall apart. Game night in black and white, and somehow you're still shining bright. Taking apart pieces in a tin, you turn off the lights, that's next week again. I don't see what you see, but I see you just fine. Every